So it's really awesome. With this, you can do it. You can get it done. I want to just kind of encourage you in this video about this will work for you. It will happen. It'll help you succeed. And what's really awesome is that by following and researching, talking to people who have sold their companies, what they've done it for, and being inspired of what you can do it for and how to achieve greatness in it, you're going to be able to do it. So I think it's really cool. You know, whether you're on the side to where, your company's 300,000 or maybe it's at 900,000 revenue, those processes, those documents, those different things, all help contribute to evaluation of the company. Um, and what I really want to go ahead and just take a moment here to say, other than the encouragement, is plan ahead, prepare thoroughly, understand your motivation for selling, have realistic expectations, be flexible, seek professional advice and support, and maintain good relationships with employees and customers. If you do those things, it's going to make this process so much smoother for you. It's going to help you achieve greater of what you want. So again, having those relationships with employees and customers and, you know, helping it to where when the time comes, they're able to transition to the new company. That's going to help maintain the value that you've built over time. Seeking professional advice from others that have sold in a similar size company, very similar to yours. So if you're at 300,000 a year revenue, talk to someone who sold that was at that revenue mark, or someone who's 700,000. Asking around, finding out who's done it and how they did it, what they did great. It's going to help you. Having realistic expectations and being flexible. Again, those people that have done it, they're going to let you know, kind of, oh yeah, here's the things to think about. Understanding your motive for selling. What is your why? Uh, the why just is so impactful. And then plan ahead, understand what the buyer is going to want to know and prepare thoroughly for the buyer. All these things are going to help you enjoy getting the most and helping you enjoy the best possible every step of the way of the exiting from your company. And if you need further assistance, reach out. Thank you guys for watching and learning some of the tips, techniques, and things that I've seen that have made successful acquisitions and successful exits in the cleaning space.